Good morning, guys. Quick update. I'm wrecked. I've got 2 weeks off work, 3 weeks off work possibly. Operation was supposed to be today, as the injury happened yesterday. It was supposed to be getting rushed through today. I've sliced through my tendons in my middle finger, and then this finger, my index finger, it's just missed it apparently. I don't know, but they're going to double check it tomorrow. But when they were obviously cleaning it, they had to bend my finger. I can hardly bend my finger. They had to bend my finger and open it up to take photographs of inside, but then they couldn't do it fast enough because the blood was coming out. So they had to get someone holding it to soak the blood up, take photo. Now, poof, doof, done like that. And it frigging hurt. Anyway, so I'm better now. I can play on my Xbox still, can use my triggers like this. And tomorrow, with the operation on about, they might just bandage it up, but they reckon I'm going to go back to work and I am going to go back to work too soon, and then it'll knacker my tendon, my ligament, whatever it is, on the top of my finger, because that's the one that's broken, obviously. So they reckon I'll go back to work too early. So what they will do, possibly, is put it in a pot. You know, do you remember when you're at school and you used to get all your pots? You used to sign everybody's pots. I haven't seen one of them for ages, but they're on about putting it in one of them, so I can't go back to work. But that then means, can I drive? Whereas I can drive now. Easy, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's the update of that. Operation tomorrow, Friday, which is quite cool. Today, I am going to go for a walk now. I'm going to go down Kirkstall Abbey, get some steps in. Got to hit my target every day. It's essential. And then I'm going to jump in the car and I'm going to go up and see them at Kippax. I'm going to give you a walkthrough of it because the cameras just haven't been there. They've been on that job. I was supposed to leave there an hour after I'd done this. So I pulled Tom and Oliver off. They come on to the job, finished it for me. I finished well early as well, finished it for me. And then, yeah, they're back up there today. So I'm going up there today. I was supposed to be going there to set up steps. Someone's built some steps. Oh my God, I'll show you. Someone's built some steps, and they're just horrendous. So not safe for kids. So I'm going up. Mark steps out. Tom's going to build them. Oliver, possibly Oliver, because he's a brickie, apprentice. So yes, I'll do them a drawing and I'll set it up. But yeah, see you over there. Right, so we're here, bring Kippax. Come over in our lass's little car, a little rinky-dink as we call it. Hate it. Little Skoda Citigo. Too slow. Anyway, let me show you this. I'll tell you about this story in a minute. So, it's cracked on. Don't know if you remember it for a couple of videos ago. I had a path coming round here. He's just laid these few today. A few angles to go in here. And then he did all this from right up there. Let me just get my fingers out of the way. From right up there, all the way down to this corner. One day, I rang him up and he said, yeah, I'm down back corner. I was like, right, that's because it's a straight line. Tomorrow, you'll have a cut. And now, like he's done a few, 1, 2, 3, 4 on this little path. And it's just angles. So, now he's come back up. Triangles. Got a triangle in his hand now. And then down there, this is what happens. Come down this line, all agreed, string lines are set out. But then this garage, call it a garage, it's a shed, whatever you want to call it, is parallel with, can't get my fingers right, this parallel here with this, so all these are even, but then this path's twisted. So, bit of cutting and carving, and because the cut will be more or less 500mm, phone keeps shining sun into my eyes, because the cut's more or less 500mm and it's not like a little, I can't do my fingers, I'm sorry, like a little sliver, then it doesn't matter, you can't see it, and you'll just walk over it without even noticing. So yes, it's done a good job as the lad. Yeah, he's got this path to do. Whoa, tiny triangle here. And then that is it, down at that bottom corner. What a garden though, what a garden. I thought that were it, that would end at garden when I come to quote. And then he went, oh no, round here mate. Went all the way up here, chuffing on. But these bricks are 1, 2, 3, 4 flags to relay. So this is the top of the garden. This is the outbuilding. We're going to get a timber one. Got planning for a few more grand. I'm going to say a few more grand. They've built a building. Apparently it's got planning on it, so they can put it into a granny flat as well. Fairly good. Get kids in it. They're only a few year old. Get kids in it. But yes, this is done by the builder and is used a different resin to what we use. I don't know what bloody camera's like on this. Hang on a minute. Can't even see its screen. Oh, it's all smudged. Hang on. There you go. Got blood all over my phone yesterday, so I've washed it. It's a bit streaky. But what was I saying now? Yeah, the resin that they've used in between here, we use Joint It. I've had a few phone calls actually with the owner, or one of the directors of Joint It in Ireland, to do a video for them. But yeah, we use Joint It, so we're going to use it. It's more or less same colour as this. This is like a light grey, but it's just not put in. It hasn't been compacted, so it's like moved away from the bricks and stuff, and the slabs. So yeah, we're going to do it. And then if he wants this grounding out a little later date, I always upsell, don't I? As you know, we'll come and do it. So yeah, that is it. Tomo and Olivier finishing this job off. Should be done tomorrow. Got to step down there to Walter, and then they're done. Nice. 5 days. Not bad. But yeah, guys, nice short sweet today. Quick update on the rabbit ears, as we call them at home, but I just call them something else. But yeah, I'll see you next time. Take care, have fun.